maim him, cripple him, kill him, shoot him right in the forehead, shoot him right in the face. As the president said, if he comes at you, you shoot him. Point blank, to the legs, to the stomach, to the groin. The president got us covered. That was the message that Deputy Minister of the Interior Karpenkov delivered to his subordinates. In a leaked audio recording, he's explaining to them what to do with demonstrators. And after that, Lukashenko and his gang call us fascists and terrorists. We have no right to let the world forget about what is happening in Belarus right now. We have no right to remain neutral and act as nothing is happening in the center of Europe. And we have absolutely no right to leave brave Belarusians on their own at this fight against the inhuman regime. And we won't. I won't let it happen. Bloodstained Deputy Minister Karpenkov has already become a suspect in a criminal case under universal jurisdiction, which threatens him with an international most wanted list. We have already called on many governments to recognize Gubopik and OMON for what they are, terrorist organization. And I will raise this issue again when I speak at the UN Security Council Area Formula meeting in Tallinn next week. I will not cease fighting against all supporters of terrorism against my fellow Belarusians. I call on all our international partners to act now and act fast. You've already declared that Lukashenko is an illegitimate leader. You've enforced sanctions. You've offered aid to our people. I urge you not to lose focus and deliver on your commitments. Because if you don't, Karpenkov will deliver on his. And as he said in the video, many Belarusians will find themselves in resettlement camps. Belarusian history has seen too many of them, but this time, together, we can prevent this from happening.